Assalamualaikum friends. Today I am here to ride a train. I will go to Anarkali Chowk. So let's go. Waiting for the orange train. Let's go. I'm enjoying a lot. I also recommend that you visit this train.